COVID-19 spiraling out of control here in America with record high death tolls reported 2 days in a row. Wednesday alone, 3,865 people died from the virus, according to Johns Hopkins University, the deadliest day since the pandemic began. This amidst growing concern about the slower than expected vaccine rollouts.
We see governors who are leaving vaccines sitting in freezers rather than getting it out into people's arms.
The White House Coronavirus Task Force urging state officials to ramp up vaccinations, especially amongst senior citizens, as some healthcare workers decline the shot.
You ought to be opening up to people 70 and over, 65 and over. You ought to be making sure that the nursing home patients are getting vaccinated.
In North Carolina, cars began lining up at 5 a.m., seniors waiting up to 5 hours to get the vaccine. Meantime, in hard-hit Southern California, hospitals are reaching a breaking point. Ambulances log-jammed and lining up for hours in LA County.
Yesterday, I was at San Dimas Hospital, 17 hours in the back of a rig with a semi-critical patient. So it's oftentimes is gambling. Literally, it's gambling with somebody's life, counting the minutes. And if they're really going downhill, there may not even be a spot to put them in the hospital.
Now fears that healthcare systems could be under even more strain with that new, potentially more contagious COVID-19 variant from the UK detected in several states. The CDC telling the Washington Post it shows signs of spreading and may become significantly more common in coming weeks. As for vaccinations, to help speed up the process, federal officials have announced a new accelerated rollout program, including 19 pharmacy chains in more than 40,000 locations across the country. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.